Hey guys, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to factory reset your AirPods. If you're having any issues with your AirPod, this method will fix it, whether it's pairing issues, syncing issues, or one isn't charging, or the case isn't charging, any sort of problems you're not hearing or it's not working. This method that we have is pretty much a way to fix those software issues that you might have with the actual hardware of your AirPods, and we're going to show you guys how to do that. But before we go get started, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news, reviews, and giveaway, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys are in the market for an AirPod or any of the newer iPhones, make sure you guys check out the link in the description section. So let's go ahead and get started with it. As you can see right now, this AirPod is paired up with our device that we have. The first thing you want to do to solve this is simply go ahead and open up your settings. So this can be on any device that you have the AirPods set up already and connected to. You don't need to really connect it to anything. So if you're never connected to anything or there's no device, this step won't be necessary. But you're going to go into settings and then Bluetooth, and then you'll see AirPods. You want to click on that information icon that you see right here with the circle. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you'll notice the AirPod information all coming up here, and you want to go ahead and forget this device and then hit forget. So what this is doing is it's delinking, or it's disconnecting from your device. Now the AirPod, it's by itself. And once you have done that, you want to make sure that you put the AirPods in the case and then close the lid. And once you close the lid, you want to make sure you give about 30 seconds. So wait 30 seconds. So you're going to count down to about 30 seconds, maybe a minute, doesn't matter. You want to make sure they're fully enclosed in there, because the next step that we do require the AirPods to be closed so that it can sort of sync up or whatever it needs to do with the actual AirPods in the case. So it recognizes that it's in its home safe place right now. And this is where we're going to get to the second part. And after it's been 30 seconds or so, you're going to want to go ahead and open the lid. And once you open the lid, what you're going to notice here is it's probably that green light, amber light, whatever. Maybe there's no light at all, whatever it is. Make sure you are actually make sure that the case is plugged in. If you don't see any sort of light, maybe it's just out of charge completely. Go ahead and plug that in so that it is charging and such. If you do have those wired ones, or if it's wireless charging, put it in the wireless to just make sure that it has some sort of charge. And then once you have done that, we're gonna want to go ahead and hold this button on the back. So you'll notice on the back there's actually a button. When you do pairing, this is a circular button that's going to be on the back. And what you're going to do is hold that and then look at the light here. You're going to hold that for 15 seconds. So we're going to press and hold, holding it for about 15 seconds. And we're just going to keep on holding till we see the amber light. As you can see here, we saw the amber light, and then once you see the amber light and it's turning white again, you want to let go. This time the reset has been complete now, and now it's looking to pair. So when it's blinking white, it's looking to pair up with the device. And you can see here, we just saw that device pairing come up again. If it didn't come up again, you're going to want to do that again. Close the phone, open it up, and you'll see it will want to connect again. You want to hold it up, and then you want to connect again here. As you can see, we'll hit the connect button, and we're going to do reconnect it again. As you can see here, it will connect back to your device again, and hopefully that resolves any issues. And now you are seeing that a green light and everything is good with your AirPods. Hopefully, if it is helpful, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.